Hello everyone, welcome back to Dub Chinese. 我係你哋嘅老師 Gloria. As we all know, Chinese New Year is coming. So today I'm going to teach you what will we do before Chinese New Year and some taboos and tradition during Chinese New Year. Since the culture is a little bit different between the northern of China and southern of China. So today the video is based on my own experiences. So today I'm going to teach you some new vocabularies and tradition in Cantonese. First, maybe some friends don't know the coming year is the Year of Rat. The Year of Rat, 鼠年, 鼠年, 鼠 rat, mouse, 年 year. The Year of Rat, 鼠年, 鼠年. Many friends maybe they will confuse. What will Chinese people do before Chinese New Year? Chinese New Year is also called Spring Festival. Spring Festival is a long festival. So lots of people, they would like to go back to their hometown and celebrate such an important festival with their family. If you happen to travel China in this time, then good luck to you. You might have already met the spring rush. 春晚, 春晚. So the people, they will try to go back home with different kinds of transportation. So the public transportation will be blocked by lots of people. No matter how difficult it is, it doesn't remove the eager of family reunion. And after they return home, they will do some cleaning throughout their house. 2 days before the Chinese New Year, 年廿八, 年廿八, we will have these traditions of cleaning our whole house. We call it as 洗邋遢, 洗邋遢, 洗 clean, 邋遢, 邋遢, dirty. So this day indicates the importance of cleaning our house. We wish that we could remove our bad luck and remove our bad emotion and all dirty of our house and then have a new start. After we clean our house, we will go out to stock up some provisions for Chinese New Year. So we could say 辦年貨, 辦年貨, 辦 prepare, 年貨, 年貨 is the provisions for Chinese New Year. So we have different kinds of provisions like the decorations, the couplets, 揮春, 揮春, 揮春 couplet, and we will put it on our door. Beside couplets, we will prepare another decorations like the flower. So we would like to buy the mandarin and buy the orchid and different kinds of flowers that represent the spring. So this kind of flower we will say 莲花, 莲花, 莲, the Chinese New Year. 花 flower, 莲花, 買莲花, buy the flower or plant for Chinese New Year. And we also will prepare something to make offerings to our ancestors, like incense, 香, 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 incense. We also will buy some food or buy something to entertain our guests and to feed our family during a long holiday. So we will prepare some sunflower seed, 瓜子, 瓜子, sunflower seed. And we will also prepare some drinks, 飲料, 飲料, drinks. And we will also prepare the red envelope for lucky money, 利是封, 利是封, red envelope. And what's more, to prepare for the lucky money for our next generation, we will also go to the bank to trying to change the big amount money into the small amount money, and we will also change it into the new money because we wish everything will be new. So we would like to give our kids money into the new money, represent to a new star. So change the big amount money into a small amount money will be called it as 唱散紙. 唱散紙. 唱 is change. 散紙 the small money. The last day of the old year, it will be 年三十. 年三十. At that night, we will have a family reunion and we will have dinner with our family. So it's like, for example, my sister and I haven't get married, so we will go back home and have a dinner with my family. But for my sister who has already get married, they would not join us because they don't believe in this family anymore. So they will have a meal with their current family at that night. So the meal at that night, we will call it as 團年飯. 團年飯. The meal for family union. At that night, that meal has to be a feast. So we will prepare fish to thanks for the past new year and celebrate for the new year. And it's okay if we cannot finish the whole meal at that night because we could continue to eat it at the first day of Chinese New Year, which means that we always have spare meal or spare money. So it's a good luck. So it's okay that we have such feast and we cannot finish it. Don't worry about that. We will continue to eat it. And after such a fancy meal, and then we will watch a TV show with our family. So normally we will watch Spring Festival Gala. So watch Spring Festival Gala is 睇春晚. 睇春晚. 睇 watch. 春晚. 春晚. Spring Festival Gala. And that night will be an endless evening because at that night lots of people, they will set up the firecracker. So the firecracker is 炮仗. 炮仗. So they will fire the firecracker, 燒炮仗. 燒炮仗. And the firecracker sounds will last for the whole night, and then actually you cannot fall asleep. And it's a very exciting night. Actually, the firecracker is forbidden by the government nowadays because lots of people get hurt or it will cause the fire during the Chinese New Year. So lots of place in the city has already forbidden to fire it. But still there was lots of people, they would like to continue this kind of tradition. Well, for me, I don't recommend this kind of behavior. Actually, we would just use the fake firecracker sound instead of the real one. So once upon a time, there was a monster called Nian. This Nian is a monster. It always eats the cow, eat the people, eat everyone. But it only come to the earth once a year. So no one could control it until there was a god called 太上老君. So it come down and he wear the red clothes and fire the firecrackers to scare the monster Nian. So this tradition is continued for many years. But nowadays the people, they would like to set up the firecracker is they want to celebrate this important Chinese New Year because we think that the louder, the happier. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Top Chinese with Gloria, and don't forget to click the bell. Okay, see you next time. 再见，拜拜。